This week, Chinese authorities have stressed the need for solid efforts to safeguard the country's grain security. In this edition of Xinhua Commentary, we explain why the country's food security matters and how it's been secured. For a country as big and populated as China, ensuring food security is paramount. Since its founding, the People's Republic of China has gone from barely feeding its own population to ensuring that more than 1.4 billion people, or about one-fifth of the world's population, not only have enough to eat, but also eat well. The country has secured a bumper harvest for 17 years in a row, with its annual grain output exceeding 650 million tons for 6 consecutive years. By keeping the bowl in its own hands, China is able to stand on its own feet and also contribute to global prosperity. Since 1996, China has implemented more than 20 South-South cooperation projects with the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, sending more than 1,000 agriculture experts to more than 30 countries and regions. Those make up 60% of all dispatched personnel in FAO's South-South cooperation initiatives. Great as those achievements are, challenges still remain. The COVID-19 pandemic is taking a heavy toll on global food security, and China is determined to play its part in addressing the crisis. In April, Chinese lawmakers voted to adopt an anti-food waste law designed to help establish a long-term mechanism to prevent food waste, which is vital to ensuring national food security. Chinese authorities have also promised more efforts to improve the country's grain storage and logistics facilities, as well as the research and development of grain-producing technologies. Going forward, China will further promote stable grain production with more measures and better mechanisms.